Just picked up some supplies, about to hit the road. Lifted van, stock height van. Road trip. We're headed to Baja. Hey, it's Slick Rick. I'm in the neighborhood, so I want to say hi to Slick Rick. Fellow lifted van enthusiast. He has a cool van. We both have wide body fenders. He's running the action van. I have a Weldtec. There's the mirrors. What's the eye test telling you guys? Which one's sitting taller? I have arrived at Baja. Fresh Mexican grill. There's my van. 1999 Ford Econoline E350 extended V10. Raptor lights are on the Weldtec Baja Grocery Getter kit. This thing looks amazing in a Baja Fresh parking lot. Baja Fresh, some chips, some fish tacos. This device I'm using is the Mackley food tray. Highly recommended. So if you want a 5-inch Weldtec lift kit to get to Baja, this lift kit will get you to Baja Fresh, no problem. Headed home from my Baja road trip, an hour 48 minutes away. So I ordered my food and then I went back outside to film Baja Fresh, then went back inside and the cashier asked me, "Are we gonna be on your TikTok?" I said, "No, you're gonna be on my YouTube though." And she said, "Yeah, what's your YouTube channel?" I said, "John Drives Anything. Subscribe to my channel. I'm the best lifted van channel on YouTube. Best van content on YouTube. I do reviews like the Mackley food tray here, so I could eat my Baja Fresh while I drive." And it looks like I don't have any traffic coming up, so I shall eat now. 13 miles per gallon. Tacos are done. That went well. Looks like I'm about to hit traffic though.